Welcome! In front of me I have Coros Apex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Coros application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application you should see the progress page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and here you should see your Apex Pro on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it. Once the device page opens, scroll down, find the option called remove and tap on it, and then tap on continue, then tap on done. As you can see, the device disappeared from the list of devices and it's gonna reset itself to the factory default settings. Now let's close the app, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it, and here find the Coros Apex Pro on the list. Tap on the info icon next to it and tap on forget this device and tap on forget device to unpair the watch completely. And at this point the devices are unpaired, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone, my bad. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.